Good morning, good morning. If you want all my trades for the day, boom, they're right there, all three of them. But if you want to see the process and what happened and why I got in the trades, stick around, all right? NVDA, let's go to these charts. First things first, I think I talked about this last time. The weekly chart looks like absolute shit. It's rejecting off of this +3 deviation from the VWAP of the IPO. Or whatever it was, SPAC IPO. Not sure how they launched, but +3 deviation. It's around the top of the point of control from 2019. Yep. So it's dealing with the the value area high of the volume range. So rejecting off of the +3. At the volume area high, I'm like, cool. This looks like good for puts. This looks quite nice for puts, I should say. Year-to-date VWAP rejected off of the VWAP. So that looks even better. But it was running into volume, so I knew this wasn't going to be an all-day swing. So I look at this and I'm like, cool, what's happening? First things first, I put a mark at 165 something. 165.71 because that's where the volume area high was earlier in the day. So I put one there. We open underneath it, so I get puts and I get out right around 164. I will show you what the contract looks like. I think I had 149. Yes, okay. So I got in right here at 32. I hold, and first things first, I'm looking at the 1 minute. First, as you can see right here, there's not too much volume. On an average candle, it's probably, 1 to 2. And then it like picks up, you get 37, 21, but it's just, I don't like the volume. It's not cool. I don't like the bar coding. So I get in at 32 and I get out at 38, quick scalp, couple minutes. I think it was 4 minutes. 2 minutes. So, yep, that was the first trade. I think it was 18%. 18%, yep. Next one, Tesla is, it's decent. I mean, I'll take it. I just, I was wrong. But for the scalp, it worked. I'll show you what the VWAP of the all-time is. All right, let's just say I called calls at 153.33 because it bounced a couple days ago. Where is it? 153.33. It did bounce over here. Boom. Popped. It also dealt with it over here, and I called levels on this thing earlier in the morning at 9:08. I said 153.30 and then 150.68 and then 155 blah blah blah. 160 was also important because maybe it would test that if it kept running through 155, breaks high of pre-market. Boom. 169. 160.99 is important level, so called these in the day. Also, we had Julian calling Apple puts, which was not bad. And I also said if the Apple one breaks low, it'd be a fucking banger. I'll just update you on Apple. It was a banger. Right now it's recovering. I expect it, but it was a good trade. So Tesla, this is the open. I called this level 150-50-ish area, and I got in calls here. I forget the calls. What were they? I think it was 49 or something like that. Oh, 177.5. 177.5. Boom, right here. So I get in calls at 0.34 down here, and I get out at 0.40. Good trade. It went an extra $5. I did have a take profit at 44, but I was quite hesitant to actually hold till my take profit. Reason being is because just of how it was moving. It was pushed up and it was showing some rejections off the VWAP, and I was like, I'm not willing to hold this and make it go red. I don't like green trades going red, so I took the take profit off and I just got out on this candle at 40, which is right there. So damn near highs. I'm cool with that. But yeah. That was the trade. As you can see, it's a good thing I got out. Tesla broke 150 and then just fucking fell. Oh, look at this fucking... Oh my god. Let's do some charting on this bitch. Oh, okay. It's picking up volume. Well, actually, there's like no volume. It's dying from the 150 break. The volume is, but I think this could be a low volume pop. That's why. I think puts up here would be decent. Just depends though. I gotta watch. Oh, you see that? Wasn't that 2500 or something? Fuck, I'm gonna have to go back in the recording and see that. I think it was like a, yep, 2900. Where is it at? 149.99. 149.99. I think it was 149.99. 148.99. So basically 149. Puts look very fucking good now. Plus, I bet you this will go up to 40. I'm not gonna get in obviously because I'm recording, but that was the second trade, was the Tesla calls over here. It was perfect level right here. Got out around these levels, 153-ish area. But yeah, next trade was a SPY call. As you here, I just want you guys to realize that I was in this for 10 minutes when I actually got out. So I'll show you why I am saying that before I show you this. 385 calls. Yep. Bop, bop. Okay. I usually like to look at the 2 minute, but I got in at a bad time. I got in at a very bad price, I guess you could say. Maybe I should have put the price below to like 125, because I said this in the the day before, I think, or the video before, that to get good like prices, you kind of want to do double bottoms or like supply and demand, because if I put it at 26, obviously it wouldn't have been 27. The risk to reward, I would have only gone down $5 and I would have made I could have made the $10, but it's all good. So lesson learned. I got in at 27 and then it popped up to 33 and I was like, okay, cool, this is nice. I see a resistance at 35, but I'm like, I don't know if it'll actually hit. So you see this candle, obviously it's a fucking wild wick. So it goes all the way up to 33 and then it falls back down to 20. It falls all the way to 26 though, so underneath my average price, and I'm just like, I don't like that. That does not make me comfortable, and I got out at 29. But as you can see, it ran all the way up to 52. But you cannot predict that. The reason also why I got out was because it was at the VWAP. It was right here. This is the candle that happened. And I'm like, I don't want to have this reject the VWAP and continue trending down. You cannot really expect this thing to hold and then break and then fall right back down. I didn't expect that. That's just not what I expected. So I'm glad I got out. It's unfortunate that it kept running, but it happens. You can't beat yourself up. Well, I can't beat myself up. It's not worth it. So yeah, those were the 3 trades. Tesla, maybe it goes back up to 150. Don't know, but the 150 break was absolutely huge. This was probably the best trade someone could have taken today, but I saw it break and I was like, I just don't want to get in it. Maybe I could have gotten in on this pop right here, but that's just not my trading style. But adios. If you want to join this Discord, you can't, but if you want to join this Discord, it will be in the description. Adios. Have a good one. Peace.